Hello guys, good morning. Today is August 7 and it's a good day. And although it's still winter, kaya medyo malamig talaga. Anyway, mag-share lang ako ng ideas and advice doon sa nag-process ng mga visa ngayon. Yung mga Filipino and Australian couple na may mga boyfriend dito sa Australia na gusto may plano mag-travel dito. So ang sa akin noon, what we did is we apply as a tourist visa. Yung entry ko is a tourist visa, and then umuwi ako after 6 months, and then after 6 months bumalik ako dito after few months, and then yun nga doon na lang kami, we got married here, tapos doon na again start na namin yung process, yung partner visa namin. So ang advice ko lang doon sa mga beginners, yung bagong may plano na mag-travel dito, kung may mga boyfriend kayo dito or asawa or ano, kung gusto niyo mag-travel dito, it's nice na mag-download kayo ng IMI account, kasi mahal kasi ngayon mag-hire ng agent, lalo na ngayon, sobrang mahal na ngayon. So it's better na mag-download kayo ng IMI account. Isa yun talaga, kasi later on magagamit nyo din yun. At least meron kayong control doon sa IMI account nyo. So madali lang yun. You just go to Google and find imiaccount.com, and then makikita nyo na download IMI account. So ida-download nyo lang yun, and then register. I think you don't have to register, you just have to sign in, and then just put all your important information there. And then kung gusto nyo na wag nyo muna i-lodge yung visa nyo unless nag-gather nyo na lahat yung mga information. And ang advice ko is kung tourist visa pa kayo, ay tapos sponsor nyo yung mga boyfriend nyo or yung husband nyo, so it's better na before kayo mag-plan na mag-upload ng mag-lodge ng visa nyo, you are ready na. Yung ready na kayo talaga. Yung nag-gather nyo na lahat ng mga information nyo. And also, isa din sa mga advice ko is, wag kayo mag-hesitate na i-screenshot yung mga conversation nyo, or either kahit yung mga pinapadala kayo ng pera, wag nyo itatapon yung mga resibo, kasi kailangan nyo din yun later on. And then, it's also important na magkita kayo in person talaga, kasi mas maganda yun na mas madali kayong ma-approve nun. Katulad sa amin, yung husband ko talagang determined siya na pumunta ng Pilipinas and ma-meet niya yung parents ko, and then yun nga, we have all those photos, videos together na happy kami. And it's important kasi na masatisfy nyo talaga yung immigration, and that's one of the most important. And yeah, I'll make another video later on, yung kasi I have a good friend of mine na she started to process her visa kasi may boyfriend na siya dito, and then we're helping her. So I will update you guys kung na-approve ba o hindi ba na-approve yung visa nila, and I hope ma-approve. So I will let you know later on, and I'll make another video for that. And yeah, it's important talaga na gagawa kayo ng sarili nyong IMI account para you don't have to pay that much sa agent or sa lawyer. So yun lang ang ma-advise ko for now, and don't hesitate to comment if may mga question kayo. Please subscribe and likes all our videos. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.